too.
Yeah, lock the balance and all.
I thought you weren't supposed to do that. Technically 2. I want to knock on front. Oh. Alexee. Yeah, I think they went out.
Okay, what's going on? What are we doing? I'll bring her out. Just tell me what's going on.
For her arrest.
Okay,
I will give it to her whenever.
can I see her warrant?
She can see the warrant when she gets arrested.
This is my house. I
Right.
have a right to see the warrant.
I'm letting you know she has a warrant for her arrest. We don't have a search warrant for your house. We have a warrant for her arrest.
Okay, can we see the warrant?
Yeah, once we get hold of
She gets a copy of it.
Can I go up there when you take her up there?
You can go to the detention. Do you know where it is?
Everything?
It's
Okay, so
for-
what is she under arrest for?
She's over 18. She's got a copy.
I understand that,
Right.
Detective Gonzalez.
Right.
What is she under arrest for?
She has a warrant for arrest. Okay?
For what?
That's all I'm going to tell you. Okay?
What do you mean that's all you're going to tell me?
she's over the age of 18.
I understand that, but I have a right to know as well.
And we'll tell you that, but we
Okay,
we
then
need
let
the
me know
cooperation.
now.
We need the cooperation.
Let me know now. I'm giving you the cooperation. I told you answer my question.
Well,
What is she under arrest for?
like I said, she's over the age of 18. Like, that we can't relinquish that information. But if you bring her out here, we'll tell you.
What is she under
If
arrest
you bring her out here,
for?
we'll tell you right in front of you.
No, I'm not bringing her out here yet. Let me know what she's under
She's
arrest
gonna
for.
get arrested regardless. Ma'am. I mean, I don't know why.
For what? For what? For what?
Are you okay with telling me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Tell me.
Homicide. Open count of homicide. And tampering with evidence.
Tampering with evidence
Yes.
at the hospital?
Yes.
So, can we see her now?
Give me a minute.
Okay.
I have a right to see a warrant. It doesn't matter if she's over the age of 18. This is my house. You have a right. You have to show me that warrant.
If we were searching your house,
Even if she's under arrest, you have to show me the
it's
warrant.
up to her to show us.
Sarah, this is Rodriguez. Trevizo. Hey, I have the detectives here. They want to arrest my daughter. They're saying they have a warrant, but they can't show me a warrant for her arrest. Okay, thank you so much.
You good?
I really want to close it.
When we get to over there, I'll give you a copy. She gets her copy. And then it's up to her.
Can I see the warrant?
It's an arrest warrant for her. It's
Okay,
not a
can I
search
see
warrant
the
for your
arrest warrant?
house.
I want to see the arrest warrant.
And what will that prove?
You bet when this is over, I'm coming for the police department and the hospital. I am.
Yes, ma'am.
Gary, this is Rosa. Gary. The detectives out here wanting to arrest me. They say they have a warrant. I guess, do I do what? Okay.
We could arrest mom for obstruction.
No, we'll go there.
Trying to
You're
be nice.
protected there.
They said it's for offense, homicide, and tampering with evidence.
You see her?
Okay.
Who did?
Okay.
Probably just nosy neighbor.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, she's here. She's here right now. Yeah.
Oh, no. Might not be a nosy neighbor.
Guess I could do a better part of the job.
Could you please not all of us?
That is his policy.
I will give it to you. Please don't. Please don't.
He ran away from 1002 West
Yeah,
Washington.
Shimon, it's nothing personal. It really isn't. And we understand. But we have to do our jobs too. Okay?
I understand that. I understand that.
Who's this?
53 and highs, 135
That's Melody. That's Devin's mom. She's good. She's okay.
We're not going to be rough with her or anything. We're just going to take her over there and book her.
Please don't be rough with her, please.
Just bring her out. You can be with her the entire time. Okay?
Do you know where the public safety complex is? 3300 West Main?
You can follow us over there. I will take you there. You can follow me over there.
As soon as I release the criminal complaint to her, she can then give it to you there, okay?
When can I get like her bond? What?
That's set up by the judge. It's Magistrate Judge Chuck
When-
Foster. He should be doing it. If it's after 3, he'll be doing it in the morning. Go on the back? Alright.
So you have the original?
I have the original and a copy.
A copy. So you want to give me the copy, and I'll make you a copy?
Works for me.
Because you need it. We need the. Well, I gotta sign off on the original.
Mm-hmm. Well, I'll just...
How about we just meet at the jail?
Well, yeah, the original plan, sir.
Yeah, we'll just meet at.
Can I write down the phone number for her to call her on when she gets there?
You can call write down whatever you need.
Just,
We just
no
need her out
flammables. No flammables or sharp objects.
Yeah.
Oh, another one.
I really didn't park in the best spot.
Writing down for her lawyer for when she gets over there. Artesia is very small.
Who are these people?
No idea.
Central 7077, 14 unit time.
We're 10 for.
Copy.
Oh, is that the boyfriend?
I don't know what he drives. I've only ever called him.
That's my other daughter. That's,
Oh, okay.
That's my daughter.
some looky loos, nothing important.
Central to 7:30.
Going for 7:30.
611 South First Street, the hospital auxiliary shop. We had an RP call in that the building was open, yet no workers. When I was on the phone with her, someone did come in claiming to be a worker. 611 South First.
They're arresting Alexee.
1040, show me
They're arresting Alexee. They're here at home. Bye.
What can you see in there?
I can see them keep going in and out of her room.
Oh, okay. Nothing weird though?
No.
Oh, Rosa.
Rosa? Nothing sharp. Okay.
No one saw her enter the house.
Hmm?
No one saw her enter the house today.
We haven't even seen her yet.
Exactly.
Hi. What's your name?
Alexee.
Okay. What's the last 4 of your social?
She don't even know it.
You don't know
It's
it?
like, I don't know. I don't remember.
Alexia, do you know your date of birth?
Yes.
Okay.
What is it?
11/25/03.
Yeah.
Do you have to walk her all the way over there? Can you bring your car up here? Please.
It's up to you.
Yeah.
That's all. Just please.
I'll go get it.
Alexia, are you okay with your mom getting your criminal complaint when we get to the detention center? It has your personal information
Can you
on it.
repeat that?
Are you okay with your mother getting the criminal complaint? It has your personal identifying information on it. Serial number, date of birth.
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. I have to serve you first, then your mom can get it, okay?
Okay.
I do. He's gonna move his unit around. No medications, anything you need to take while you're in there.
No, sir. No.
Okay.
She has still been like bleeding, so I don't know if she needs.
Do you have any? They do. I don't know if they have tampons.
They do have family products.
Okay.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure if you take your own, you can use your own if you need it.
Can she? Do you want to grab some? Can she grab some of that real quick? Or?
Yes.
Do you mind if
Get your little bag.
one of us goes with you?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Just making sure you're doing.
Just grab it a little.
Okay. And just nothing sharp, no flammables, nothing sharp. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They're gonna check it when you get over there. Okay.
Okay.
Confirmed that address is 611 North First Street. 611 North First.
Okay. We'll check those when you, same thing. Okay. They're gonna check all that when you get over there. Okay. Thank you.
I'm going up there right now too. Okay.
All right. What's in there?
Personal pads.
Just
Personal pads?
Yeah, she needs them.
Follow me.
3300 West Main Street, the Public Safety Complex. If you just go through the front door, you know where we first spoke in the records?
Yeah.
If you just go over there. Is there any four? Okay.
I'll meet her in the front.
Okay. I'll get with him and do all stuff. Go to dispatch.
Okay. We'll meet you in the front, okay?
We're Tampa. I'll be headed your way shortly.
Relay the rest.
I'll be headed your way for the relay shortly. Yeah, I was gonna go station. He signs the original, then I'll relay, send it back.
Make sure you send a copy of the readout so I can.
No, that's what I'm gonna relay it.
Hey, you just send them a copy.
19.
Send them a copy, email them.
Okay.
You just need to enter it on there,
Oh, okay.
and then the original can go back.
I'll just go straight there. I didn't bring my phone with me. What time is it? 4:02. They'll be good. No, 4:45. I'll have time to get it back to. Oh. Just my radio's a little off. That'll give us enough time to get back to the magistrate court.
And then drop in the bottom.
Yeah.